Hello and welcome. In this lecture, we will add a new package called Firebase UI Auth. And this is it over here, Firebase underscore UI underscore auth. Click on it and scroll down to see what it does. And it says Firebase UI Auth is a set of Flutter widgets and utilities designed to help you build and integrate your user interface with Firebase authentication. Now, in order to have more clearer view about what the Firebase UI Auth package does, we can open a new tab, then type in Flutter Fire, okay, and this is it over here, firebase.flutter.dev. Click on it, and over here in the search tab, search for integrating your first screen. Now scroll down, okay. Now by using the Firebase UI Auth package, it will create the functionality to sign in users using the email and password, meaning we have to write little or no code. And also by using the Firebase UI Auth package, we can easily sign in users using the Google sign in method. Now back to what it does. These are basically all what we can use the Firebase UI Auth package for. You can see email, phone, email link, email verification, sign in with Apple, Google sign in, Twitter login, and Facebook sign in. So you can see how powerful this package is. So what we can do now is to copy the code and back to our editor. But before adding this package, in the previous lecture, I had mistakenly typed F. So I was having F21 and this was wrong and it was my mistake. So make sure you set the minimum SDK to 21 and not F12. And probably you did not make such mistake also. Okay, now go to the postback.yml file and add this over here and use Ctrl and S to save. Then we can continue in the next lecture.